Hello, Chad Payne here, investment advisor with Security First Asset Management, with our weekly market recap for the week ending June 21st, 2024. First, a couple of announcements. We're about to end our second quarter, and we'll be having our drawing for a $100 Home Depot gift card for anybody that referred friends or family members to us during the second quarter. Still a little bit of time to get your name in the hat for that. If you've got anyone you'd like for us to talk with that you think we might could help, still have a chance to get entered into that contest. But we'll be giving it away at the end of June here as the second quarter comes to an end. Also, we've got our summer of fun going on with gifts and prizes that you can redeem points for. All you got to do to earn those points is share this video, watch this video, share other social media posts and other things like that. For a complete list of how the system works it's on our website under the Summer Fun tab. So last week we had slightly uptick in the markets. There were slight market gains. The S&P did hit fresh all-time highs, and it started to broaden out a little bit with the gains, a little bit of a rotation from growth over into value. Growth's been leading the way all year. In fact, NVIDIA has grown so much, it accounted for 34.4% of the S&P's overall growth from the beginning of the year through June 14th, according to Integrated Capital Management. So that's one stock accounting for 34% of all the gains in a basket of 500 stocks. So pretty heavily weighted in there. So we need some broadening out in some other stocks there as well. Some of the things that drove the markets this week: retail sales grew by only 0.1%. That was below expectations. And they revised April down to actually a negative growth of 0.2%. So both of those kind of looks like the consumer is under a little bit of a pressure. And that sparked ideas that maybe the Fed would actually make additional rate cuts or more rate cuts than expected before the end of the year if they see a weak consumer. But then later in the week, S&P Global, the composite of business activity, was actually higher than it's been in over 2 years at 54.6. Anything over 50 spells expansion in business activity. So some positives and some negatives for the economy, which is typical right now when the way things are going. So one item of note there in the exception or expectations versus reality department, the National Association of Plan Advisors says they've surveyed a bunch of people planning to retire. Their top retirement plans include traveling and exercising. Over 70% of people said they plan to do both in retirement. But reality is their top activity was actually watching TV. 83% of the people said that was their top activity once they retired. So anyway, hope you're enjoying your retirement, whether you're doing any of those three categories. But certainly if we can help you out or you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Talk to you soon. Thanks.